Hi, this is Rad from Sportscars. Here I've got a very special Porsche 911 Carrera 4S 2009 997 Gen 2, finished in stunning Aqua Blue Metallic paint. Looks sensational in this colour, one of my favourite colours of all the Porsche palettes over the years. Such a beautiful, beautiful colour, especially in this golden hour light. Really shines. It's got like gold metallics in it, as well as the purples and the blues. Really great colour. The wheels are the optional Sport Design 19-inch alloy wheels, and they are unmarked all round. I've already sold this car twice before. Back in January 2021 I had a major service done, including all discs and pads all round. So you can see the wear bars there, those outer sort of dimples there that aren't holes. Plenty of life left in those all round. So the rears were also changed at the same time, and they're showing minimal wear as well. This car's only covered around, from memory, just over 2,000 miles. The tyres are Pirelli P0 N2s all round, and they've got good tread left on them as well. I'm just looking for the N rating, so yeah, N2 there, so they're matching Porsche rated tyres. Options on the outside include the Switchable Sports Exhaust, so you can tell that it's got the aluminium surrounds around the steel pipes there. Really nice option to have. Rear wiper as well. So very, very lovely bits of kit there. And then at the front, the big standout feature, which is quite rare on 997 Gen 2s actually, is the PDLS Dynamic Lighting System. So PDLS is Porsche Dynamic Lighting System. They're by Xenon, but this bezel here rotates as you go around corners, and it's speed dependent. So it actually lights up the corner as you're going around them at night. Makes it very effective as a lighting system, and was incorporated more and more as time went on. This was the first generation that had it. And then on the inside, it's got the very rare option of two-tone extended leather, so stone grey with black. So the seats are also stone grey, but the top of the dash is black, and then the lower part of the dash is stone grey. So all leather, and then black Alcantara. Has grey carpets, but then it has the optional leather edged, which is I've never seen it on any other car, leather edged black mats, which are the same as in the back as well. So that's another lovely option. Stainless steel door entry guards, which were optional, and then a subsequent option of having them with the model designation illuminated, so that lights up at night. Really lovely feature. Also has BOSE, so it has the BOSE sticker there, and it has the subwoofer in the back. I don't want to forget all the options in this car. So there's the subwoofer. That's in grey to match the grey carpet, so all as it should be from the factory. Other really nice option is grey seat belts to match the two-tone theme, and then it has the Hardback Sports Seats, which are a two-way electric, so it has an electric control there for this back bit. Then it has a height adjustable, which is manual, and then forward and back is with that manual handle there. They're finished in obviously stone grey, as I've said, but then it has the option for the embossed headrests. So there's a Porsche crest on both of those seats. I'll just go around the other side to show you the options from the driver's point of view, because there are quite a few, and I have got a list actually in the file which is just there. But I'll go through these. As I said, I sold this car twice, and more than happy to buy cars like this again and again and again, because they are so fantastic spec wise, so unique. And let me just stop that beeping. There we go. So let's start with steering wheel. So that's the multi-function steering wheel. It's got the PDK 7-speed semi-automatic box, which, if you've watched my other videos, is you can run it full auto, full manual, or a combination of the two. At any point you can press these rocker switches backwards for up, down a gear, away from you to go up a gear, and it's the same on both sides. You could get the sport design steering wheel with this as well, but you don't get then all the controls for the PCM system. So the phone controls, volume controls for the stereo, changing media and everything else is all done through the steering wheel. So that's a nice option. The other thing that was unique to this steering wheel, which this car does have, and I'll show you on the dash, hopefully it will come up, steering wheel heating. So there's a little button which was only available with the multifunction steering wheel to enable it to have steering wheel heating. So that's a very special option. I've only seen it on a handful of cars. Really makes a difference in the winter. Yeah, just warms up your hands, makes it great to hold and to drive with. The optional cruise control is also fitted from the factory, so that's that extra stalk there. If it doesn't have that stalk car you're looking at, then it doesn't have cruise control. It can be retrofitted though if a car doesn't have it. This car was serviced in January, so I'll just show you. It's also covered 75,810 miles. There are 5 previous owners. As I said, I know the last 2. Both sold it due to lack of use, not because there was any issues with it or they had money issues. It was literally they felt guilty having it and not really using it in the way that they originally intended. So it's due a service in 510 days or 17,700 miles because it was done in January. So it's January 2023 the service is due. It's got Sport Chrono Package Plus, so it has the dashboard mounted stopwatch there. And then it has all the sports related buttons you could get along this bottom row. So Sport, Sport Plus, the switchable suspension PASM, which comes as standard on all S models. Then it has the switchable sports exhaust, which I showed you on the outside. The spoiler up and down manually there. It does go up automatically itself, and you can turn the traction control off there. It has the heated seat option, so that's 2-stage heating there, which only works when the engine's turned on. And then it has the single zone climate control, which is basically the highest option you could get in a 997 Gen 2. PCM wise, it has the PCM 3, which is a touchscreen system. So you can press it there, or you can use the dial and then push in like that. And then it also has, I believe, it has the 6 CD or DVD loader, which is built into the PCM. And again, a handful of cars I've seen have got this option where you can have 6 CDs loaded into the PCM system. Has the phone module as well, which is Bluetooth for phone calls, as well as the SIM card option if you want to give the car its own number. And then you can also do through this connection here, look through USB iPod, that's all there. So you can plug in, you can actually do Bluetooth audio streaming using 2 of those options, so either auxiliary or iPod. So there's little modules you can buy on Amazon for about 20 to 30 pounds that basically allow you to do audio streaming as well as use this system for the phone. Obviously it's got this full satellite navigation. You can have it in 3D mode, or you can set it to 2D.
Is not active.
And it has voice control there. Oh, well, not voice control, it has voice instructions. If I set map view, if I turn off 3D map, it then makes it 2D. I prefer it in 3D, I think. There we go. So there it is, 3D. There we go. So that's all of those bits. As I said, it has the BOSE, so that works fantastically. It's a great sounding system. It has the auto dimming rear view mirror, and consequently it has the rain sensor as well, and the auto dimming wing mirrors as well. So they're also lovely options to have. I mean, it's literally one of the highest spec 997 Gen 2s I've ever had, which is why I'm so eager to always buy it back if someone wants to sell it to me. I'll show you the engine now. So the engine is the 3.8 litre direct fuel injection engine, which is a flat 6 normally aspirated engine. It got rid of all of the issues of earlier 997 Gen 1s and all 996s, so IMS bearing failures, RMS oil seal leaks, and also the dreaded bore scoring. So that's where you get scoring on the cylinders. This engine basically dealt with all of those issues head on and basically eradicated them. So these are the safe engines to buy. This one has 385 horsepower and from memory 310 foot-pound of torque, somewhere in that region. So plenty of power, plenty of torque. So yeah, I think it accelerates to 60 in around 4.3, 4.4 from memory. And yeah, great engine to live with and great engine to enjoy. Then in the front, I mean, it's just in such lovely condition. It even has stripes from where a detailer has put hoovered in stripes. I don't do that myself, but some detailers like to do that. All the tools and everything are where they should be. So all of those bits there, as well as the tyre gel in there. Then there is a new battery that the owner put in, the last owner put in. I believe it's a Bosch. Let me just... So there we go, Bosch battery. Everything is clean and fresh back here. So really lovely condition. Everything as it should be. And yeah, beautiful colour, beautiful spec. I think the options are in the region of about £20,000, so lots of money spent in the order process, and it's ready to be enjoyed. It's a 2009 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.